Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Oppo A77. To do this, first we'll need to find a SIM slot on this device, and it's right here on top left corner of the phone. Now we're gonna use a SIM needle for that, so stick it in this gap right here. It should release the slot. Now I will use my fingernails to remove it, and there's one SIM slot for sure, and let's check for a second one. Yep, there's dual SIM slot on this device, so you can place one SIM card right here and another one right here. But if you want to use two of them, you would need to sacrifice a place for SD card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.